Alright, we're going to factor completely. I'm going to do a problem, and then you're going to do a couple problems as practice. When you're factoring, always look for a common factor first. Anything common in these guys? No. Anything common here? Yeah. I'll have a 5 in there. I can divide each one of those by 5. If I divide that one by 5, I get 8x squared, 2x, and negative 3. So there I am. Now I'm stuck with this guy, the factor. I made it simpler looking. Now, if I can just factor that, there's a couple different ways of doing it. Some people will write it down like this. For the people who are struggling, which you are because you're looking at this right now, I'm going to give you this guy to use. 8x squared, negative 3. These two multiply together to be negative 24x squared. So these guys will multiply together to be negative 24x squared. And then they will add together to be negative 2. So let's look at negative 6x and 4x. Those multiply together to be that guy and add together to be that guy. Pull out a common factor. 2x. Common factor 4x. And then 2x times something is negative 6x. That's negative 3. And then 4x times something is 4x. Well, that'd be 1. So there's my factors. 4x minus 3, 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. Does it matter if I write this one here or here? Doesn't matter. Multiplication you can do in any order. Here's another example. We already said there was no common factor there. Let's look at a little generic rectangle. 6x squared, negative 10. These multiply together to be negative 60x squared. Two numbers multiply together to be that guy. Add together to be that guy. Multiply, add. 6 and 10. No. 15x and negative 4x. Multiply them together, I get negative 16. Add them together, I get 11x. Common factor is 3x. Common factor, the 2x goes into both of those guys, so 2x. 3x times what is 15x? 2x times what is negative 4x? So the factors for this guy are 2x plus 5 and 3x minus 2. Alrighty? So you hit pause and try to do those two right there, and then I'll show you the solution. Remember, always look for the common factor first. Hit pause. Alright, we're back. And remember, I pulled out the common factor first. There happened to be an x in there also, so 3x was a common factor. Okay. So then, let's try that again. You write down those two, hit pause right now, and then come back after you're done. And we're back. Remember, always look for a common factor first. Common factor first, and then you just worry about factoring this part. Ooh, this was an easy one to factor, wasn't it? Because it had a 1 in front of the x squared. It's just two numbers multiply together to be that, add together to be that. But you could use a generic rectangle just like I did over here. Alright? Good luck, and don't forget to bring this in so you can take the test.